Hello everybody. Hi Grade 2. Today we will discuss Unit 2 entitled with My Day. Let's start with the conversation time. My day. This is a conversation, it's between Hani and Hannah. They talking about their daily routine. Let's start with the picture number 1. What is the time in picture number 1? It's 7 o'clock. Hani says, we have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Again, we have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Hannah replies, we drink tea with milk. We drink tea with milk. The second one, in picture 2, what time is it? It's 10:30. Hannah says, we play with friends. At 10:30, it's break time. It's break time. Hani replies, yes, it's great. Picture number 3, what time is it? Oh, it's 2:30. Hannah says, we go home at 2:30. Hani replies, we enjoyed our school day. We enjoyed our school day. From this conversation, we have a new vocabs. Let's move to new vocabulary. It's about daily routines. First, get up. Again, get up. Drink tea or drink milk. Drink. Again, repeat after me. Drink. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Eat bread. Eat bread. Play with friends. Again, play with friends. Go home. Go home. The boys go home after school. Stand in line. The boys stand in line in front of their teacher. Stand in line. Go to bed. Go to bed. Now we have some new words that related to parts of the day. We have 4 parts of the day: morning, afternoon, evening, night. We have studied these parts in Unit 1. But today we will focus on a preposition that comes before the parts of the day. Number 1, in the morning. In the morning. Number 2, in the afternoon. In the afternoon. In the evening. In the evening. At night. At night. Now let's move to the grammar time. It's about the present simple tense. We use present simple tense to talk about facts and habits or daily routines. This is the use. Now, let's know the form of this tense. The form is, we have studied the singular pronouns. اللي هما مين? He, she, it, and singular noun. Singular noun like mean Heba, Ahmad, Dalia. With these singular nouns, the verb takes S or ES. For example, she gets up at 7 o'clock. She gets up at 7 o'clock. Here we add S to the verb. But we have with he, she, it, or singular noun. If the verb ends with SH, SH, CH, SS, X, O, we will add to the verb ES. For example, he goes home at 2:30. He goes home at 2:30. Here we add ES to the verb that ends with O. Go. Here when I add S, no, I add ES. He goes home at 2:30. Now, we use with the subject I we use a verb infinitive in the present simple. So I play football at 5 o'clock. Here I use play verb clean without any addition because it's a daily action. He play or I play football at 5 o'clock. This is a daily action. I do it every day. They read books. They read books. Here I don't add s because the subject is they. So when the subject is I, we, you, they, the verb becomes a infinitive. Infinitive means verb clean. Infinitive means verb a clean without any addition. Now let's move to the second rule. To ask about and tell the time, we use what time is it? What time is it? Or what is the time? The both are correct. The answer is it's plus a number o'clock or it's plus time. For example, what time is it in this clock? I say it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. When the long hand of the clock on the 12, I say o'clock. When the long hand of the clock on 12, I say o'clock. The second example, what time is it? It's 12. Sorry? It's 12:30. It's 12:30. Now let's answer this question. Underline the correct words in brackets. Number 1, he goes home on, in, or at the afternoon. The correct answer is in the afternoon. Number 2, what time, am, is, or are it? The correct answer is what time is it? What time is it? Number 3, I swim, drink, eat milk. The correct answer is drink milk. I drink milk. Number 4, she eats breakfast. The correct answer is eats. The verb takes a s with he or she or it. The verb takes a s. Now let's answer the second question. Rearrange the following sentence. Number 1, time, we eat, what, we eat. The underlined word here is what. So I start with it. What time is it? This is correct. Number 2, is clock, it, 9. I start with the underlined word, it's it. The correct answer is it is 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. Now let's move to the phonics time. In this phonics time, we have 2 letters. The letter P says pa and letter L says la. Letter B and letter L make the sound pull. Pull. For what? Like what? Sorry. Play. Play. Plan. Plan. Planet. Again, planet. Like the earth planet that we live on it. Please. Please. The second sound is the letter C says ka and the letter L says la. They make the sound cull. Cull. Like what? Clock. Clock. Cloudy. Cloudy. Classroom. Classroom. Clay. Clay. Now let's answer this question. Number 1, will P, will A, will Y. This picture, I will make the sound A. Play. Play. يبقى the missing letter is L. Clock. Clock. Listen. Clock. يبقى the missing letter is C. C says ka. Ka. The third picture, cloudy. Cloudy. The missing letter is la. La. Cloudy. The first picture is plan. Plan. The missing letter is pa. So this is the end of our unit. See you soon.